Hi there, students. Indubitably, an adverb. Indubitable, the adjective. Indubitabity, the noun. Indubitableness, the noun as well. I guess you could also have the opposite, dubitable, but I think this word dubitable is quite rare. Okay, so indubitably, in a way that cannot be doubted, that leaves no room for doubt. So your team is indubitably the best team in the league this year. The reason I start with the adverb indubitably is because I think this is it's probably the most common form of this group of words. It is indubitable that your friends will be very happy with the presents that you have bought for them. Yeah, it cannot be doubted that. Okay, it is an indubitable fact that the sun will rise tomorrow. Okay, so beyond doubt. Yeah, it's so obvious that you just can't doubt it. Now, yes, you can have an adjective dubitable, something that is open to doubt, it's uncertain. Yeah, his dubitable record. You could say it, but this is not very common. Yeah, and it sounds rather formal. Indubitably, it's probably a little formal on its own, but I think you can use this without any problem. Indubitably, he is the best English teacher on YouTube. Okay, so indubitably, something that leaves no room for doubt. Yeah, you can't question it. It's undoubtedly. Yeah, it's impossible to argue against it. You can't question it. So, indubitably, she is in love with you. Okay, so here, it's easier. It is indubitable that she is in love with you. You could do it like that, but indubitably, it's just easier to construct it like that. Okay, so you use this word indubitable or indubitably to emphasize the idea that it's definitely true, yeah, that it's not something that is in doubt. It's certain, it's sure, it's absolutely obvious. Yeah, so we're using indubitable for emphasis. Yeah, indubitably, this is the best film made by this director. Yeah, indubitably, what you did is wrong. But there are questions as to exactly how wrong it is, and there is a lot of justification in your action, although it is indubitably wrong. Okay, so indubitably, it's something that can't be called into doubt. It's patently obvious. It's beyond question. Yeah, indubitably, this song is one of the all-time classics in this type of music. Yeah, it's certain, it's established beyond doubt. Yeah, you can't call it into question. It's unquestionable. Yeah, so your team are indubitably going to win the cup this year. I think they're unassailable. You can't say that it's not going to happen. So this is an indubitable fact. It's an obvious fact, and nobody could argue that it wasn't true. So, indubitably, formality. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think if you used it informally, it would sound like sarcasm. Yeah, I think informally, clearly, obviously, without doubt. Yeah, use it in a semi-formal conversation. or a semi-formal or formal writing. Use it for emphasis, or that something is true. It's a way to emphasize the truth of something. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, this comes it comes from dubitable, from Latin dubitalis, meaning doubtful, from dubito, doubt. Okay, and then from this comes from Proto-Indo-European dwi, or meaning two. So there are two ways of doing things. Yeah, so twinfold ideas, but clearly if something is indubitable, there's only one. So without two ways, in duo, without two ways. Okay, so, well, indubitably I gave a pretty good explanation of this word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Indubitable, indubitably, indubitability, indubitableness, so you've got two possible nouns. Yeah, indubitable.